we are going to cover the topic probability. Probability means chances. Probability of doing something means chances of doing something. Probability of getting some result, some outcome is chances of getting that particular outcome. Okay. So before understanding probability, we need to understand two more terms. One is sample space and the second one is event. Sample space is the set of all outcomes of an experiment or observation. Sample space is denoted by S. It means A1, A2, A3 dot dot dot. ठीक है. तो sample space like probability इनके लिए हम check करते हैं. So by like tossing a coin. When we are tossing a coin, we can get either head और tail. हमें क्या मिलेगा? तो हमारा वो sample space में क्या क्या आएगा? Head and tail. तो 50% chances of getting head, 50% chances of getting tail. So what is the probability of getting head? So that will be 1/2 because head तो एक ही है and total outcomes कितने हैं? 2 हैं. So 1/2. This is the actually this way we have to find out the probability. Now similarly, getting a tail, probability of getting a tail will be 1. How many tails are there? Only 1. So 1 upon how many outcomes are there? 2. Okay. Similarly, if one lady is expecting the chances of getting a girl baby 1/2 because it can be boy, it can be girl, right? So similarly, when we are throwing, we are rolling a dice. So in that case, जो sample space होंगे क्या होगा? We'll get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. इसके अलावा तो कुछ नहीं होगा. We cannot get 0. We cannot get 7. When we are rolling one dice, okay, single dice अगर हम throw कर रहे हैं, roll कर रहे हैं, तो we will not get more than 6, okay. So ये सारे chances, so getting तो probability of getting 2. What will be the probability of getting 2? 2 कितना है? एक ही 2 है. And how many? Sorry. 1, 2 is there, so only 1. And how many outcomes are there? 6 outcomes are there. So getting probability of getting even number. How many even numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 upon how many outcomes are there? 6. So it will be 1/2. Got it? Now we need to understand what is event. ठीक है? So event is a subset of sample space. मतलब ये जो sample space है इसका एक subset होगा. Okay. And there is one more term, that is simple event. Simple event is something an event which has only one point. Okay. So event which has event of a single point is called simple event. Okay. So हम देख सकते हैं simple event is denoted by A, capital A. So क्या होगा? This sample space is the set of this numbers are there. So it will be equal to A1, A2, union A2, union A3, union dot 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 जहाँ तक है. But this is simple event. So A1 मतलब capital AI is equal to set of small ai. मतलब कि it has only one, it has a single an event of a single point is called simple event. ठीक है? One more term is there, mutually exclusive events. Okay, so mutually exclusive events means there are two set A and set B. Okay, it has no point in common. Like A intersection B will be a phi set, that is phi, null set, that is phi. Okay, so mutually exclusive मतलब कि they don't have any point in common. Two or more than two event, two and more than two events which has no point in common. Now to each of the event A in sample space S, we assign a non-negative real number PA. That will be called as the probability of the event A, which has to satisfy some axioms. These axioms, okay. The first one is PA, probability of A should be greater than equal to 0, because it cannot be, probability cannot be negative number. Okay, probability always be in positive number. Okay, next one, probability of sample space will be equal to 1 for all, for certain S means whatever the sample space is, that should be 1, that will be considered as 1. Like हमने H और T का लिया था ना, smallest one, so it will be considered as 1. That's why the chances of getting H is 1/2. Okay. Now The third one is probability of A of any event. Probability of any event A will be equal to the sum of the probabilities of the simple event which has whose union is 1. Okay, so the probability of this sample space will be equal to the probability of sum of all the events, simple events. So sum of all the events ki probability, and that will be equal to 1 because PS is equal to 1 always for all events. And P A union B will be equal to PA plus PB कब होगा? When A and B are mutually exclusive. मतलब A, this one is A, this one is B. तो P A union B मतलब whatever is there in A and B, जो दोनों में जो कुछ भी है दो I mean common है या फिर नहीं है, that all comes under P A union B. Okay, now when A and B both are different, like both are not, they don't have any point in common, so they are mutually exclusive. So क्या होगा? P A union B क्या होगा? Whatever is there in A and B, so that will be P A plus P B. When A and A intersection B is null set, that is fine. तो similarly A union B के लिए अगर हम A plus B लिखते हैं, probability of A plus B, so similarly for probability of A1 union B, A2 union A3 और बहुत सारे अगर there are more than one, two or more than two mutually exclusive events are there, so उन सबका जो probability of their sum will be the union of the probability of their union. Okay, these are some important points that we can use in sums. Like P of phi is equal to 0, null set 0 रहेगा, and P A intersection B bar will be P A minus P A intersection B. So P A inverse, so अगर ये universe हम लेते हैं, so P A in this is A, so whatever is not there in A will be यहाँ पे, ठीक है. So क्या बचा? 1 जो है this will be वो consider करते हैं 1 minus P A को हटा देंगे, then the rest will be there. Okay, similarly these are all the points. A union B will be equal to PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. So we can also find out the value of PA union B and plus PA intersection B, that will be PA plus B. Okay, now PA and PB के लिए we have given some formula. This PA intersection B plus PA intersection B bar. So similarly, if this is PA equal to this one, PB equal to this one, then PA union B will be equal to this one. Okay, see the question. 7 people are seated in a row and 2 people A and B जो है वो end में बैठता है, at the end. So there are 5 people, 1 2 3 4 5 people के लिए place है. So the number of ways 5 people can be arranged will be factorial 5 होगा. Now A and B जो 2 people, it's not mentioned कि कौन से end पे कौन है. So 2 people A and B at the end रहेंगे, but they can also be arranged in 2 ways. Okay. So the what is the, so total will be, total आया हमारा factorial 5 into factorial 2. Okay. Now the total of 7 people, we have to find out the probability. So now the arrangement of 7 people can be in factorial 7 ways. Okay. मतलब 7p7, that is factorial 7. Okay. So we have to find out the probability of x. Okay, so it will be factorial 5 into factorial 2 divided by factorial 7, and the answer will be 1 by 21. So we have to find out the probability of leap year which has 53 Sundays. Okay, first of all we need to know that 364 days have 52 weeks. Okay, because 7 into 52 is equal to 364. Okay, so बच गया 2 दिन. So because leap year में we have 366 days. ठीक है, so 2 days, जो 2 days हैं उनके लिए हम बात करते हैं, उनके लिए what's the probability of getting वो 2 दिन में Sunday होना चाहिए. So we have 2 options. या तो that year should start from Saturday, अगर Saturday रहा and Sunday आया वो 2 days में, so 53 Sundays हो जाएंगे in that year. So the year should start from Saturday और संडे. So कितने दिन होना चाहिए? Out of 7 there are 2. So the probability of this one, probability of getting 53 Sundays in a leap year will be 2 upon 7. A set of 2 packs of cards, we have to draw king from both the pack. ठीक है. So probability, so first of all drawing king, हमें first pack of, it has 52 cards in one pack. Okay. And कितने kings होते हैं? 4 king. Okay. So first of all we have first जो pack है उसमें से we have to find out the king. तो probability क्या होगा? यहाँ पे we have selection हमें करना है because 4 kings are there. Okay. We have to select one out of 4. So here we have to use combination. So it will be 54 C1 out of 52 C1. ठीक है. So it will be 4 upon 52, मतलब 1 upon 30. ठीक है. Now second pack से भी we have to find out the king. हमें select करना है king. So it will be 4C1 divided by, because 1 हमें select करना है and the total probability of getting one card is 52C1. So it will be 52C1. Again 4 upon 52 and is equal to 1 upon 30. So probability of getting a king from both the packs will be, so probability of this will be equal to 1 upon 13 into 1 upon 13, that will be 1 upon 169. So 2 dice are rolled simultaneously and we have to find out the दोनों dice में जो भी numbers हैं उनके product will be 12. So 2 dice है तो क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? पहले में 6 and second में 2 आएगा, then we can get 12. पहले में अगर 4 and second में 3 आया, we can get and again 3, 4. First में अगर 3, second में 4 आया, and first में अगर 2, second में 6 आया. So these are the 4 options that we can get. So there will be only these numbers जिनके product 2 dice पे जो numbers आए जिनके product 12 आए. Okay. So probability of getting 12 is equal to 4 upon 36, because one dice में there are कितने 2 numbers आएंगे? 36, because 6 in one dice, second में 6 आएगा, 6 into 6 will be 36. So total number is total जो outcomes will be 36 and जो हमारे काम का है जो that we want, that is 4. So 4 upon 36 will be 1 upon 9. Pack contains 3 white ball, okay, 2 black ball and 6 red ball. Okay. So what is the probability? And 3 balls randomly हमने निकाले. Okay. तो total कितने balls हैं? 11 balls हैं. Okay. 11 balls. So 3 हमने randomly निकाले. तो what is the probability of getting 1 white ball, 1 black ball and 1 red ball? So probability we have to select again. So combination we'll use. So 3C1 होने चाहिए, एक white होना चाहिए and 2C1 होना चाहिए, एक black होना चाहिए and 6C1, 1 red होना चाहिए. And what is the probability of getting the total outcome? So total outcome will be 11. Total balls are 11 ना, so 11C3. So the probability of getting 1 white, 1 black, 1 red will be 3C1, 1 white out of 3, 1 black out of 2 and 1 red out of 6. And total outcome will be 11C3. So the value of this one will be 12 divided by 55. Okay, so we have to find the probability of a card drawn from a pack of cards is either a spade or an ace. Okay, so getting a spade. So probability of getting a spade, like probability of getting a spade is, how many spades are there? 13 in a pack of card. Okay, and probability of getting an ace is 4 ace are there. Okay, 52. Now we have to find out the probability of getting ace as well as ये दोनों हो, मतलब कि probability of getting a intersection भी, मतलब कि there is one point mutual inclusive point, मतलब spade भी हो and ace भी हो. So that is only one card out of 52. Now we have what we have to find out. वो या तो स्पेड हो या फिर एस हो. So we have that probability will be so we have to find out A union B, probability of A union B, either a spade or an ace. So that will be PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. So it will be 13 upon 52 and plus 4 upon 52 and minus 1 upon 52. Okay. So 13 plus 4 17 minus 1 is 16. So 16 upon 52 मतलब कि 4 upon 13. So this will be the answer. So there are 4 numbers given 0, 0, 1 and 2. And we have to find out the number which is greater than 2000. Okay, 2000 से greater numbers we have to find out. So क्या हो सकते हैं 2 dash 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 and 3 numbers are there 0, 0 and 1. So arranging this, so probability of finding out, so probability of this 3 vacant places to fill, to arrange these 3 numbers in the vacant places will be factorial 3 divided by factorial 2 because 2 zeros are there, same thing are there, so we'll divide it by 2. So इतने ways होंगे, okay, and total outcomes कितने होंगे? There are 4 numbers, so probability of total outcomes जो है वो that will be 4 upon 2 because of 2 zeros. ठीक है? So what will be the probability of getting number which is probability of getting number which is greater than 2000? So उसकी probability क्या होगी? Factorial 3 upon factorial 2 divided by factorial 4 upon factorial 2. तो ये तो cancel. So factorial 3 upon factorial 4. Factorial 4 को हम 4 into factorial 3 लिख सकते हैं. So answer will be 1 upon 4. Okay. A box contains 15 glassware pieces. तो total pieces 15 with 3 defective pieces. और 3 defective pieces हैं. Okay. And तो बाकी जो 12 है वो good pieces हैं, अच्छे pieces हैं. Okay. And what is the probability of that sixth draw contains the last broken piece? ठीक है. तो sixth draw contains the last broken piece मतलब पहले के sixth draw last broken piece out of 3. तो 12 pieces जो good pieces हैं उसमें से so total 5 pieces पहले के निकाले ना, तो 15C5 because sixth is the last broken piece. It means जो पहले के 5 है उसमें 2 broken pieces होंगे. So पहले के जो 5 है that is 15C5, हम उसे वैसे select कर सकते हैं. And 2 that contains 2 कितने 2 broken pieces होने चाहिए and 3 good pieces होने चाहिए. तो 2 broken pieces मतलब out of 3 good pieces means 12C3 and 2 broken pieces मतलब 3 defective में से 2 defective हमने निकाला. ठीक है. Now what is the probability of getting this 3 good pieces and 2 broken pieces? इसके probability क्या होंगी? तो total probability will be 3C2 into 12C3 divided by total probability क्या है 15. total क्या है 15C5. 15 में से जो 5 पहले निकाला है 6th के पहले जो फिर 5 निकाला है इसमें 3 अच्छे pieces and 2 broken pieces हैं, total 5 निकाला, right? So it will be equal to 20 upon 91. ठीक है. Now we have to find out the next जो हमने 6th निकाला, 6th के बाद जो first 5 pieces का तो हमने देख लिया. Now next 10 pieces जो हम निकालेंगे तो उसमें एक ही broken होगा because 2 broken तो पहले में है, तो last that is the 6th one is the last broken piece. So only 1 broken will be there out of 10. So probability of getting that one will be 1 upon 10 defective. And the total is, this one is 20 into 91. So it will be 2 upon 91. The probability of getting the third जो last one है वो sixth piece जो होगा that is the last defective piece, उसकी probability will be 2 upon 91. In a class of 100 students, 60 students passed in maths. So probability of passing in maths is 60 out of 100. ठीक है. And how many students pass in statics? अगेन 60 स्टूडेंट पास इन स्टैटिस्टिक्स, तो 60 अपॉन 100, ठीक है. नाउ द प्रोबेबिलिटी सम स्टूडेंट पास इन बोथ सब्जेक्ट्स, सो P intersection A intersection B, because both in A also and B also, दोनों में पास किए, they are 30 out of 100. So we can write like this, 6 upon 10, 6 upon 10 and 3 upon 10. ठीक है. Now we have to find out the probability of A union B, जो दोनों में पास है, total students जो है. So it will be 6 upon 10 plus 6 upon 10 minus 3 upon 10. 12, 6 plus 6, 12 minus 3 will be 9. 9 upon 10. Now we have to find out the students जो कि only एक ही subjects में पास हुए हैं, या तो वो maths में हो या फिर stats में हो. So for that we have to find out A union B minus P A intersection B. ठीक है. So that will be A union P A union B is 9 upon 10 and A intersection B is, that is 3 upon 10. Okay, so it will be 9 minus 3, 6 upon 10, मतलब कि 3 upon 5. Okay, a set of numbers given 1 2 3 4 5. So we have to find out the probability of selecting a 4-digit number from all possible numbers that can be formed using these digits. Okay, so first of all, कितने 5-digit numbers can be formed? How many 5-digit numbers can be formed? Factorial 5 होंगे. Now how many 4-digit numbers can be formed? 4-digit numbers, so 5p4. Okay, just we have to arrange them. Now how many 3-digit numbers can be formed? 5p3. Now how many 2-digit number? 5p2. How many 1-digit number? That will be 5p1. ठीक है. And total what is probability हमें किसका find out करना है? इसका. So probability of A will be equal to 5p4 divided by factorial 5 plus 5p4 plus 5p3 plus 5p2 plus 5p1. Okay, ये हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. एंड व्हाट आंसर विल गेट? 120 अपॉन 325, मतलब कि 24 divided by 65. Okay, this. I hope you understood the concept. For any query, any doubt, please comment. To like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click